In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off or adjust the volume on your Aurora frame. Okay, the way to do this is, first thing to do is to open up your Aurora app or Aura app, and then on the top right corner, tap on the gear icon. And once you do that, it'll take you to the frame settings. Now here in frame settings, you're going to want to scroll over to speaker volume right there. Once you tap on that, you'll see that it's got a slider here, and you can raise or lower it, or if you want to turn off the volume completely, you'll just take and adjust it all the way down like that, and you'll see that it's got the emblem crossed out so that the volume is turned off completely. So that's the easy way to adjust or turn off the volume on your Aurora frame. If this video was helpful, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.